video on something always gotta happen in my videos. Something always has to fall in my videos. If it's not, it's just not a Zaali beauty video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, if you saw the title, it's gonna be a review on these new artist liquid highlighters. Well, they're not new, but like kind of new. They've been out in the market for like maybe a couple of months now, and these been floating around Instagram for so long. And I try to look up YouTube videos to see if there's any reviews. There's not much that I've seen. So if you guys have seen these floating around Instagram and wanted to know if they were worth the hype or not, well, here's the video for you to find out. Hey, if you want this eye look, I think I will post it in my next video or either my Instagram. Let me know down below, do you want it in a YouTube tutorial or do you want it in a quick Instagram video? Let me know in the comment section. Let's get on to my review. Like I said, the review is going to be on this new artist cosmetics liquid highlighters. The owner calls them the Dapper drops. As you can see the name on the box, and when you pull it out you get a trio. There's only trios right now. I don't believe she sells them individually. These were sent to me for a review. I'm gonna be brutally honest, as I always am. So this trio comes with these three shades, which is called the green one, the mint green one is called Celebrate, and then the bronze gold one is called Underdog, and then the purpley pink one is called Unknown. I'm gonna insert my swatch picture that I posted on Instagram right here for you guys to check it out. The second trio comes with these three shades, the bronzy gold. Sorry guys, it's full of like hair from my daughter's teddy bear because she goes into my makeup. Anyway, so this is called Underrated, which is more like the bronzy shade. That is called Newbie, which is more like a purpley mauve. And on the other one, the other trio also has a purpley mauve, but Newbie is a lot more darker versus Unknown in the other trio is a lot more lighter. The very last one, and my favorite shade out of the whole like both trios, like out of the 6, is called Passionate. It's my favorite shade out of all of them. I'm gonna be comparing them to my not Cover FX. I'm all over the place. The Makeup Revolution liquid highlighter, and then I also had, where are you buddy? Oh, here we go. So also the Cover FX liquid highlighter, the L'Oreal Lumi Glow Armor, basically a liquid highlighter. So these trios each retail for 27 pounds, which is about maybe 30 to 31 US dollars. They do ship internationally, so if you want to get them, you could anywhere in the world. You guys can see there's their Instagram page. You can go check it out. I will link it down below. I have to say, you guys, I actually really love the formula of these. Me personally, I just wouldn't walk outside with a green highlighter, but with that being said, I will still wear this underneath my foundation or mix it in with my foundation just to give it that glow. So I just want to show you guys the consistency. It's not too liquidy, but it's not too creamy either. It blends really nicely into the skin. This is the liquid highlighter from Makeup Revolution. Like, you see the consistency is more like watery when it comes to this liquid highlight. Consistency that I would compare these two out of all the highlighters that I have would be the Cover FX one. If focus, there we go. Like, you see that? The way it goes, like it spreads out, or like it comes down from the applicator is the same exact way, and it feels the same exact way as the Cover FX one, which is what I love about it, because the Cover FX ones aren't cheap. And if you're looking for an alternative that's a lot cheaper, I would definitely recommend going for these. The liquid luminizer from L'Oreal, the consistency, like it's a lot more thicker than the Cover FX and the New Artist Cosmetics liquid highlighters. They're like really glowy. Is that there's two deeper shades where I could use as bronzer, and then one, the shade called Underdog, is like has a more neutrally undertone. So if I have a foundation that's lighter than my skin tone, like even a tad bit, I like to mix this in just to give me that bronzy glow look. Other two shades, which is like the more purpley highlighters, I know these might throw you guys off a bit, but honestly you guys, you can use these, like I said, underneath your foundation. You can mix it in with your foundation, and you can use this as blush. Lately I've been kind of getting into like more liquidy products than versus powder products, just because like they look more natural on the skin versus powders, because powders do tend to just stick onto your face, versus like liquid kind of just melts in. And then the Passion shade, of course, I'm going to use as a liquid highlighter on the tops of my cheek, is use the green highlighter, and I'm just going to spread that all over my face. Of course, the droppers make it a lot easier for you to dispense onto your face. And the green one really works nicely too if you have what do you call that, like rosacea or like really red cheeks, because green does combat like redness on there. That's the word, redness. So you could just put this underneath, and then it'll just blend in really nicely, and then your redness will be gone. Well, it won't be gone, but it'll neutralize the redness, and then you could just go in with your foundation on top. I know it looks crazy, you guys, but it's really not. It blends in really nicely on top of it, and there's no problem with it. So today the foundation I'm going to use is my NARS. Speed this part up just because it's going to take some time. I don't know if you guys could tell, but it gives a really nice glow to my skin. I'm going with Underdog, and I'm gonna bronze with this shade. Very tiny bit of this. Give my forehead a bit of a bronze. Favorite shade, which is Passion, and I'm gonna use it as a liquid highlighter. And I think, I don't know what shade I want to do. I might do Newbie as my blush shade. It's very subtle, and that's what I'm into. I'm into like subtle looking blushes. The bronzer with my ABH bronzer. A really bronzy look, because I love the bronzy look. Gonna leave the blush part just the way it is because I really like that color. To set the highlighter, I'm gonna go in with NARS Kapari highlight. So you guys, that is it for my review on these New Artist Cosmetics highlighters. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it cleared out some questions that you guys would have had if the hype is worth it. And don't forget to check out New Artist Cosmetics. I will leave their Instagram down below like I mentioned, and these are bomb, you guys. You need to try them. Please try them. They're so worth the money. I highly recommend them. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.